Hi everyone. The last resource that I chose to show to you for the 5 New Technologies assignment was Prezi. I love Prezi for because it can be used for so many different things. I use it in my classroom for book commercials, which are the ones that I have on the screen here. And then I also use it for different grad classes or presentations that I have to create. So I'll go ahead and show you one of them that I've created here. And then I'll just kind of do a step-by-step really quick of how you might start a new presentation. So I already have Where the Mountain Meets the Moon loaded on a different tab, so I'll go ahead and open that. And I'll just show you what it would look like. So the way I use this again is for book commercials. So I'll show this to my kids before we have a book tasting in our class, and I'll just make one of these for each of the books that we have as options. Just so then when we start the book tasting, they kind of have an idea of which books they might want to grab first to look through. So this is what Where the Mountain Meets the Moon might look like. Okay, so there's that one. One thing that's kind of unfortunate that I've discovered recently was I used to be able to upload music to put behind the videos, but now you have to pay to have that option, so I just play them silently. So there's that one. Let me show you what I might do if I was creating a new one. So I would just go to New Presentation, and it would just bring up a lot of the different types of options that I have. Okay, so let's just say I would want to make one for, I will just do clockwork because it's here. And I'll just click Use Template. So the first thing that I like to do when I'm creating one is I like to present. I'm just click on present here just so that I can see what the flow is going to look like. And then I'll just click the arrows to see. Okay, so the cool thing about Prezi is, I'll just go ahead and make this about Prezi, is that you can click and delete or add different pieces. So let's just say that I want to write down here what Prezi might be used for. So I'll just write that here. I could change the font if I wanted. And then if I would want to click here, I could use it in the classroom. And then maybe here I could use it for college classes. And then I might maybe want to create one more. So I could go here and make a new frame. And then I could just drag it. I could make it as big as the other ones if I wanted. And then I could just start adding a text box and just add, maybe I would use this for projects. And then I could change the font if I wanted to match everything else. So I don't really use this for projects for my sixth graders just because it is kind of complicated and it's harder than a PowerPoint, which is just kind of exactly what we need when we're working on that. This just kind of takes it to a harder level. But this would be perfect for maybe like high school kids or college kids. Teachers obviously could use this to present things to their students. The two standards that I picked for this resource was E6D for modeling creativity and E7B for using technology to design and implement a variety of formative and summative assessments, which would be if the student is creating a project over something that they've been working on. Thanks for watching the video.